Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the essentials of beauty products with expert insight and honest evaluations. Today, we're talking about a product that could transform your at-home or professional beauty experience, the BestMassage Massage Bed. Whether you're a traveling beautician, lash artist, or just someone looking to set up a dedicated massage or spa space at home, this portable, adjustable massage table could be the answer. The BestMassage Massage Bed comes with a host of features designed to make your work or relaxation time as comfortable and convenient as possible. We're looking at a 24-inch wide, height-adjustable table that's built with practicality and durability in mind. So what makes this bed stand out? First, let's talk about its key specs. This massage table weighs just around 32 pounds, making it lightweight enough for easy transport, especially if you're on the go for client visits. It also comes with a durable carrying case, complete with an adjustable shoulder strap and a side pocket to stash oils and supplies. No more scrambling for space when you're carrying everything you need. You can set up the table quickly as well. Simply unfold it, and the legs pop into place automatically. No tools required. This ease of installation is perfect for those who value speed and efficiency, especially in a busy spa or salon environment. Now, let's dive into the comfort level of this bed. The cushion features a high-density sponge that provides a soft, comfortable surface for clients. It's not just about comfort, though. The table is reinforced with a beechwood frame and support cables, making it sturdy enough to hold up to 450 pounds. Whether you're massaging or performing a lash treatment, the table offers a solid, reliable base that gives you confidence as you work. One feature that really impressed me was the height adjustability. The table's legs can be adjusted from 24 inches to 34 inch, allowing you to customize the height to your preferred level. This makes it easier for the therapist or professional to work comfortably without straining. Plus, the height adjustments are simple, which adds to the convenience. The table cover is made from luxurious PVC leather that's durable, easy to clean, and free from that harsh synthetic smell you sometimes get with other materials. It feels soft to the touch, but is tough enough to withstand daily use. As with any product, there are some trade-offs. One potential downside is that at 32 pounds, it might feel a little on the heavier side if you're constantly on the move. While it's portable, it might not be the lightest option for those who need to carry it over long distances. Additionally, the width of the bed may be a bit narrow for clients who prefer more space or have larger body types. But overall, the BestMassage Massage Bed is an excellent choice for those who need a sturdy, portable table that doesn't sacrifice comfort for portability. It's a solid investment for anyone who provides massage or beauty treatments, whether at home or on the go. Now, if you're wondering whether this is the best option in terms of value for money, I'd say it definitely holds its own. When you compare it to other professional-grade massage tables, especially ones with similar adjustability and durability, this bed offers a great balance of price and performance. The ease of use, comfort, and ability to hold up to 450 pounds all add to its value. In terms of alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget, there are similar tables out there, but they might not offer the same level of durability or height adjustability. There are options that provide a simpler design at a lower price point, but they may not have the same sturdy construction or luxury features. So what's the final verdict? If you're a professional or just someone looking for a reliable, portable massage or lash bed, the BestMassage Massage Bed offers excellent value for its price. It's comfortable, durable, and easy to transport, perfect for both professionals on the move and those wanting to create a relaxing space at home. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and if you've already used this massage bed, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experiences with it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.